Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to be going over with you my top 5 ways that you can go ahead and either save and or earn money in this new year. So I know that saving money can be difficult, but really if you just do little things each and every day, they will add up in the long run. So let's go ahead and get started with this. First up on our list is going to be saving money on gas. Many companies such as like BP, Shell, and others really have these rewards programs where you can go ahead and get rewarded. So my personal favorite that I use is going to be 76. That's out here on the West Coast. And really with that, every time that I go ahead and fill up, I'm saving 15 cents per gallon by paying through their mobile app. I just have my credit card linked directly through their mobile app. When I get to the pump, I go ahead and open the app, launch it from there, and get going. And it automatically reduces the gas price by 15 cents each time. So according to treehugger.com, the average American consumes about 500 gallons of gas a year. And if you're saving 15 cents a gallon, then 500 gallons times the 15 cents, it's equal to $75 in savings that you're doing just from using a mobile app. So that's great in the long run for sure. And then as a bonus tip with this, you can go ahead and use gasbuddy.com. I'm going to link that below to find the lowest prices of gasoline in your local area. It is a great tool to really help you save money in just a simple and easy way to find those lowest gas prices. So next up is going to be starting to invest. And really with this, a great app that has no fees to kind of get started in this world is going to be Robinhood. And so you can invest in companies such as Google, Coca-Cola, Amazon, many others, basically any stock that is going to be on the stock market, including you can do Bitcoin and all of those as well. So I'm going to link this below in the description, and you can go ahead and get signed up. And once you do, Robinhood is going to go ahead and send you a free stock just for signing up. Now, one of my friends personally did this. I shared it over to her, and she got a stock of Apple completely for free, which was worth over $200. So it's kind of just depends on if you get lucky with the stock that you are given when you sign up, but you can get one of these major companies and quick and easy way to earn money. And really with investing on Robinhood, it's just a great way to get started and helping you save. And then that money is just going to continue to grow. The more that you save and the more that you invest, it will continue to grow over the years. And so next up, if you want to earn some extra cash on the side in a simple and quick way, if you've ever wanted to do that, then really you should look into becoming an independent contract worker. For example, you can go ahead and test websites. There's some out there. One is user testing, another is IntelliZoom. So I'll link just right up over here a in-depth video about user testing that I have done before. It's really just a simple way that you can go ahead and earn some legit money online. You get $10 per test that you complete, and each test takes about 10 or 15 minutes. So with that math, you're making around $40 to $60 an hour depending on the amount of time that the tests take. I've been doing this for years. It is a legit way to go ahead and make money. But again, I'll link the video so that you guys can access this. Another way you can earn some extra cash by being an independent contract worker would be through Lyft, Uber, delivering for Grubhub or Postmates. Really with this, you can make anywhere between around $15 to $25 an hour with that. Next, a great way to really earn money back on purchases that you are making is going to be through credit cards. Now, many credit cards allow you to earn cash back on certain and sometimes all purchases. So when you do sign up for a credit card, most of them do have sign-up bonuses. Usually they're around $100, maybe $200, but they can go up to $500 just for signing up for a credit card. Take Discover, for example. They have different categories each quarter of the year where you can go ahead and earn 5% back on your purchases. So some of these categories will include groceries, gasoline, online purchases, purchases from like convenience stores like Walgreens, Target, anything like that. So what's great is you can combine these with other scenarios that I've mentioned, like with gasoline. If your 5% cash back is the gasoline quarter, you can go ahead and really stack your earning potential. You'll get the 5% back by using your given credit card, and then you can go ahead and if you have that linked, let's say in the app where you can save 15 cents a gallon, then you're just even, again, stacking your savings right there, which is great. And now, so my advice when it comes to using a credit card in general, you should treat it as if it is a debit card. You really don't want to spend more money than you are able to pay off in full at the end of the month, and you really won't be in trouble. So again, if you just treat a credit card like it is a debit card, then you should be completely fine with that. And then finally, the last one I wanted to talk about was when you're making purchases online, you really should be using this extension called Honey. You can download it, I know, in the Chrome store. If you use Google Chrome, you can add it right there to your Google Chrome. And with this, Honey hunts for the best promo code to save you the most money on your favorite websites. So with what I just mentioned, you can pair this during your new credit cards promotion of 5% cash back on web purchases, and from there you'll be saving the money by using Honey, and you'll also be making money at the same time by getting the 5% cash back. So I've added my link in the description below to join Honey to give you a better idea of how it works, and so you can start saving with your online purchases. So great, hopefully these tips are beneficial to you guys and helpful to help you start earning some extra money on the side or saving some money as well. Feel free to leave any questions, comments, concerns that you have with any of these earning potentials or saving potentials. I would love to hear them. And let me know just in general what you thought about the video, if this is something that you guys liked, and if you wanted me to dive deeper into any of these suggestions that I've made. I'm thinking about diving into specifically a more detailed video about different credit cards, which ones to look into, which ones will give you the most cash back or rewards. So great, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Thanks so much, and have a great day.